In this video, we will learn how to divide a line by inserting a family. For that, first we need to select the family. To select the family, we will use family types node. Family types. Click on family types. From the drop list, we can select the family name which we decide to use. In this case, I will use a chair family. Dining chair. Okay. Dining chair. Dining chair. I will run. Okay. Now this family dining chair family is selected. In the second case, now we need to select the line. In order to select the line, we can use select model element node. Select model element node. In this case, I need to select only one line, so that's why I use the select model element. If you need to select multiple elements, you can use the second node, select model elements. Select. Now I selected the line, then run. Line selected. Then now I need to insert the family. To insert the family, we can use family instance node. Family instance by family instance by point. Okay. Family instance. Now we can connect the family type to family type. Now next, now we need the points. That means we need to divide this line to equal parts. We can use number node number. Now I need to calculate the length of this line. For that, I can use curve dot length node. Curve dot length. So sorry, there is a mistake. First, I need to select the curve from this line. For that, element dot curves. This node will extract the curve from this element to element. Now curve to curve. Run. Now the length of the curve is we extracted 16,100 mm. This is in mm. Now I need to divide by 4. For that we can use divide node. For that go to math, operators, then divide node. Okay. Now we will divide the length by the equal number. Okay. Run. We got the length of each element. From this, I need to get a point. For that, we can use range node. Use range. Starting will be 0. The end will be the total length. What is the length? Then step will be each part. Run. We got this. Now we got the list of each segments. Now I need to insert a point in this line. For that, curve dot point segment. So this is not the line. Geometry curves. Not this curves. Points at segment. No, we will not use this one. We will use another node. Curve dot point segment. This one. Point at segment length. No, we will connect the curve. This is the curve. Curve to curve. Now the segment length. What is segment length? Each segment is will connect segment. Run. Now, as you can see, the line divided to into equally by 4. Equally divided. Now, see, I will move this family to here. Now the points created. We need to connect point to point. Now we finish the script. Just we will run. Okay. As you can see, the line divided. In each point, the family inserted. One. It's equally divided. If you need to use this Dynamo again, just refresh it twice. That's better. Then select the line, change the number, then run the Dynamo. Again, refresh it, select the line, change the number, then run the Dynamo. Okay, hope you understand this.